Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a home, area, and room in Projects Hub. So what you first want to do is you want to open Projects Hub, and this is the page that you're going to get. And so go ahead and click on this Create button right here, and then it's going to open up this dialog. And here you can just put in your address, and then you can go ahead and create your home. Okay, so I put in an address here, and then I'm going to click Save, and then that's going to create the home. You can see down here it says successfully created the home. So now the next step here is to create an area. And an area is pretty much a part of your house that contains rooms. But it's not necessarily just a floor. Okay, so you could say like a main floor is an area and a basement and like a second floor. But you could also say like an exterior is an area. And then you'd have inside of exterior you'd have like front, side, and like backyard or something like that. So we can create an area. And then for the name I'm just going to put in main floor. And then here under Area Template, if you open this up, you can see that there's a couple of different template options here. And the one we're going to go for is main floor. Right here, and then just click Save. And then what that template does is, you can see if we expand main floor, you can see that there's already full bath and kitchen created under main floor. And so that's what that template did. And you can see under full bath, we have appliances. And that's the same for kitchen. You can see that there are some other appliances inside of kitchen. So that's what that little template does for you. So the next step now is to create a room. And so you can come in here and say create room. And then so you can name the room whatever you want. I'm going to create a master bedroom. And then you can also see that there's room templates here. And then so there's a full bath, garage, half bath, kitchen, etc., etc. And so we aren't going to use any of those templates right now, but you can imagine that they do the same thing as the area templates. And so now we just created a room. And so a room doesn't necessarily need to be just specifically a room. You could also, like I mentioned before, you could have exterior front or exterior side. You could also have like a patio area or even like a playground set. You can really get creative with what you want to call a room. Just remember not to make a room something like main floor or something that's too broad, but make it more specific to your house. So that way you can put appliances and projects inside of that room. Alright, that just about wraps up this tutorial. Thank you all for watching. And if you are, by the way, liking Projects Hub, don't forget to leave a review on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Thanks again for watching, and catch you in the next one.